Hi guys, so it's another day in the evil markets of Forex, and I thought I would talk more about my strategy. This is just more to document my journey, but I thought it'd be cool, just to talk about the strategy I've been using that's been slowly making me profitable. First, I'll show like a diagram I made on like this program, and then I'll go to the charts to explain it, if that makes sense. This is the diagram I made in Figma, and it's essentially how I see the strategy, if that makes sense. So the yellow line is the monthly, the black ones are the weekly, and then, so I'm now zoomed into the black ones, and then say in those black ones, this is like the 4 hour. I could then zoom further in, and then in here there could be more zigzags for the hour time frame. So essentially my strategy is basically trying to match up every single time frame of one another to then work out the direction of where I want to go. So say for example, if I was zoomed all the way down on the hour time frame, so just the section here, and I saw a red candle going down and I wasn't using the high time frame, I'd be like, okay, I want to take a sell because it's going down. I'm only zoomed into that section. If I then zoom out, I then see in the bigger time frame the price is actually slowly looking to go up, but the whole time it's going up, it's like zigzagging in different patterns, like making it so confusing. So then what I do, I'm then like, okay, so the monthly is looking to go up, and say if I was here, I then saw on the black bit the weekly's going up. I then zoom further down into the weekly, and I see within the weekly there's actually the 4 hour is going up as well. And then say if I'm zoomed into the 4 hour time frame, which is this bit going up, I then want to find, and then on the hour time frame I want to find like a pattern like this where the hour time frame is slowly going up like that. So like this would be like an entry point where it's going up, because then I know in the grand scheme of things the price is going up on the monthly, or the monthly's just come down and looking to go up, so the monthly's going up, and then the weekly's also going up, and then I was meant to draw this to here, but yeah, the 4 hours going up. And then if that was there, I would see this is going up in the hour. So it's like all those confluences to take a buy, and that's basically how I see the market. And then I'll go onto the charts and explain that on the charts as well. So I use these, like, again, these are not real trades. These are just trades I've placed on TradingView, because my whole strategy I always do risk 1% for 3%. So right now I'm on the 4 hour time frame. If I then switch to the hour time frame, so now I'm on the hour time frame here. So basically this section is essentially, the section I just showed you on TradingView is basically this bit on the diagram, like here. So it's like we're so zoomed in, but when you like just look at the market, you don't realize that. So if I now go to the monthly, I now see like the bigger things. I can kind of see on the monthly that in my theory that the price is looking to go up, to go further up, like we're in a mass, like we're slowly going upwards, because this has come down here taking these people's money, and then here I see this pattern has come down taking these people's money. If I then go to the weekly, I see this has come down taking these people's money. So the weekly, within that going up bit, the weekly bit's actually zigzagging down to take money to then go up. And that's the same as, like I said, on this bit, like where the weekly's come down taking money. It's like I'm basically matching it all up. So the weekly's come down taking that money. On the daily's come down and it's slowly like curving upwards to zigzag up. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know. It's really hard to explain. Hopefully that makes sense, because so much of it is like discretionary. It's just like getting a feel of the market, but it's just like, to me, the whole market is just constantly zigzagging all over the place, and I'm trying to match up the same zigzag of one another. Because if like I said, the monthly is zigzagging up, I then don't want to take a sell on a monthly zigzagging up. I want to take a buy where the weekly zigzag matches up with the monthly, and then the daily, so it all matches up. So it's like all that like buying pressure is like matching up. So then I can go on to the hour time frame and find the mini pullbacks where it comes down and takes money from people to then take a buy, because it matches up with that buying pressure of all the other time frames, if that makes sense. And again, I don't win every, like so far it's been like profitable, like it's doing well, the strategy, but it's like I could place 2 trades and then lose 2 times in a row and I've lost 2%. But then it's like, because it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward, I could then win 3 trades after that in a row, and because I win 3%, I've just won 3, 4, 5, 6, like 9% minus the 2% I lost. That's then 7% overall. And then like the second part to my strategy, which is the most important thing, is the psychology, is making sure I only place 1 trade a day, on 1 trade in my personal and 1 trade on the FTMO trial. Remembering when I take a loss to be like, it's just a loss, and then continue and then doing the same thing again the next day. Because for the like 1 year and 8 months I've been trading, the whole time I just get so wrapped up and addicted to trading that I don't realize what I'm doing is just revenge trading and just placing trades willy-nilly, instead of just waiting until like the next day when I'm in a better headspace. The main thing for my strategy is the psychology and just being in tune with my thoughts and feelings, because I don't know, I ramble too much, but thanks for watching. This might help better explain it as well, because this is a trade I screenshotted in my own Discord. Just for myself, I keep track of the trades. This is the monthly time frame. You can see up there the monthly time frame, and the monthly time frame's going up, like I said on that diagram, it's going up, but as well as going up, it's also taking money here. So it's like, to me, that's like bullish. And then on the weekly, you see it came down to money and it's going up again. Like I still see it's going up, and then on the daily still going up, but it's come below and taken money. So then I see, okay, it's going up, still going up, and then that's when I find these little mini pullbacks. And when it breaks out of these mini pullbacks, that's when I take buyers.